In front of me is DOOGEE Note 56 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and tap on this section which is Connected Devices. Then choose Pair New Device. Wait for available ones to show, and when they do, click on the one you wanna connect to. Then use this switcher next to also allow access to contacts and call history to enable and disable it, and then hit pair. Wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to manage this connection, use this icon next to your connected device and use all of those options, including forget. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!